Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to GPT video update today. And GPT, ladies and gentlemen, is coming towards my technical target, and I've given you this technical target when we were up near these places, and I told you that the reason why you're going to go down there is because you got the left shoulder, the head, and you got the right shoulder right over there. So that's like an ascending head and shoulders went to the downside, and now you're looking for this technical target. Now I do think people might be wondering, so Adam, tell us what's next for GPT at the moment, right? So at this point of time, we probably are looking for a move like one wave down, second, third, fourth, and this can be the fifth one. We're looking for another push to the upside. Now, the irony about the break to the downside is that GPT never went back to retest this line, the ascending neckline. We haven't seen a proper retest, and something tells me that somewhere down the road we might be looking for a move back all the way to that line, maybe, and then maybe get rejected from there, maybe try to move back up. I don't know. That's something different. But we've pretty much played out the technical targets. We're just a little bit short. We're looking for that technical target. If you've been watching the channel, you do know that I've given you the ascending triangle before. I've given you this 1 2 3 4 5 move, that the elliott wave theory that we talked about. And then right on top here, I told you about the ABC correction, that you're coming down like this and you're looking for that ABC correction. And then I gave you the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and it's time to actually fall down to this technical target. And we're just very near the technical target. So yeah, pretty much very, very successful, price prediction for GPT. And those who are interested to join my signals, by the way, I'm just doing more analysis on other different coins, just the same way as I've been doing for GPT as well. The link is in the description of the video if you want to join. So that's pretty much it for this update. Bye. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.